Hi guys, it's me Cece. In today's video I will be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. I am so nervous about this because I have really bad anxiety and I'm like, oh my god, am I gonna get through this? But we're gonna attempt. So I have my timer right here, and not to mention I'm gonna attempt to do a full face glam. But I have my iPad here and my timer, and we're gonna get started now. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know if I'm gonna say these first of all, okay. I don't know if I'm gonna say these makeup products, but this is the Tasha primer. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, I need to put my hair back. Let me put my hair back. Oh gosh. Maybe I should have did this part first. Okay. My hair's back. Okay. A little bit of the unicorn essence just in this area. Oh my gosh. Okay, I already started off bad. I am going to take my Dior foundation, and I'm actually going to use the beauty blender. I never use my beauty blender. Oh my gosh. Never. I never use. Oh. Guys, we're already now to 4 minutes, and I haven't even. I'm still putting on my foundation. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm like a stickler about my foundation. Okay. I'm gonna take my concealers. Is the MAC MAC Pro Longwear, and I'm gonna use that same beauty blender, and I'm just gonna get under my eye. Oh my gosh. Okay. And I have to be extra, and I have got to use, oh gosh, okay, 2. Oh gosh, okay. I'm freaking out. Okay, don't forget. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all, 3 minutes left. Oh my gosh. No, okay, we're at 3:09. Okay. Oh, this is just not even blending good. Oh my gosh. Okay, contour. Oh gosh. Okay, hurry up. Contour. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna let my contour sit, and I'm gonna go. No, I don't want that palette. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, and I'm doing my eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, what a disaster! Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. Okay. Y'all, it literally takes me like an hour to 45 minutes to get ready to do a full glam, and I'm here trying to do a full glam. Oh my gosh. Okay. 2 minutes left. I have not blended in my contour. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, 2 minutes left. Oh, look at my eyeliner. Okay. I can't even concentrate. Like, I'm freaking out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Y'all, I'm freaking out. I don't even know where. Oh my gosh. I don't even know. Oh gosh. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. My brows are not even done. I got the oh my gosh, lip gloss. Oh. Okay. 45 seconds. Oh gosh. I don't even think I have time to do anything to these brows. I don't even know. where a brown pencil is. Oh my gosh. Freaking out, freaking out, freaking out. I can't find the brown pencil. I can't find the brown pencil. Oh, here's one. I don't even know. Oh, 16 seconds. 16 seconds. Of course, the brown pencil will break. 12. Oh my god. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh my gosh. I can't. Oh, I'm done. And we're done. Oh my gosh. This is the finished look, guys. Oh, look at my face. I'm so... No, I could never do this again. How do people do this? How do people get ready in 5 minutes? No, I'm sorry. I at least need 10. I can do 10. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.